been seeing it in your mind, again and again. You close your eyes, feel into it, visualize your future self with clarity. You imagine the version of life you know is possible, and for a moment, it feels close, tangible, real. But then, nothing changes. Or maybe there's a small sign, a shift, a whisper of hope, only to fade. The job doesn't come, the relationship feels the same, the inner doubt resurfaces, and you wonder, why does something that feels so right stay just out of reach? Here's the truth. Most people never tell you. Mental images don't create your reality. Your vibrational frequency does. There's a critical difference between imagining a better life and energetically embodying the version of you who naturally lives that life. Visualization is powerful, but it's only one piece. What shapes your world isn't what you picture during meditation, but the energy you carry when you open your eyes and walk back into your day. The quantum field doesn't respond to effort, it responds to alignment. Not to how much you want something, but to how deeply you've become the version of you who already has it. Not to your words, but to the silent frequency you emit through your breath, your emotions, your decisions. You can't fool the universe with surface-level rituals if your inner state is still broadcasting fear, doubt, and lack. And this is why so many people feel stuck in cycles of almost manifesting. They're thinking the right thoughts, visualizing the right outcomes, but carrying a frequency of waiting, separation, and not yet. The more they focus on the future, the more they reinforce the feeling that it's not here now. And the quantum field reflects exactly that. But something shifts the moment you stop chasing. When you stop asking, when will it come, and start asking, what would it feel like to already be that version of me? Everything changes. Because in that moment, you stop observing a distant dream and begin broadcasting the signal of fulfillment. That signal, the one that doesn't yearn, doesn't rush, doesn't question, is magnetic. It carries stillness, it carries certainty, and the field responds not out of favor, but out of resonance. Because when your inner world and your imagined future speak the same frequency, there's nothing to wait for. You've already become the portal through which that version of reality appears. You've probably said the affirmations, you've written the intentions, you've spoken your goals out loud, hoping the universe would hear you, that your words would somehow signal the life you want. But here's what no one tells you. The quantum field doesn't respond to language. It doesn't respond to what you say. It doesn't even respond to what you consciously think. It responds to one thing only, your vibration. You see, the universe isn't sitting somewhere with a checklist, sorting out who said the most affirmations or meditated for the longest. It's not counting how many vision boards you've made. It's not measuring how desperately you want something.